In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily remove the green tick from your desktop icons here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop, like exactly here that is being seen in my desktop, like this. So in order to remove that, all we need to do is we need to bring up our OneDrive. Okay, so how we can do so? Please navigate to the taskbar here. There you can see your OneDrive icon. I mean this cloud icon which contains the OneDrive, or you can simply click on this forward arrow to show hidden icons. And there are some laptops who have find their cloud or the OneDrive icon aligning on this hidden icons. So all you need to do is you need to click on it, and eventually you would be able to see this kind of window where it contains the OneDrive. All you need to do is you need to navigate at the upper right side of that. You can see there a gear icon which contains the help and settings. All you need to do is you need to tap on it, and from here you need to click on post syncing, and you click on this down arrow key and go with the quit OneDrive. So click on it, and it will ask you to confirm your action. So if you will close OneDrive, files on your OneDrive folder won't sync or back up to the cloud use, so you won't see your changes across devices. So just have to click on this quit OneDrive, okay? And eventually you would be able to remove the tick in your desktop icons. Okay? So that's it. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. If the tick icon is now not removing the moment you click on it, restart your computer and you're good to go. So if you think this video has helped you, then leave a thumbs up and thank you for watching everyone.